What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to make a gaming review of Huawei Y9 2K18. And you can see the devices in front of me, and I have a set of 4 different games which I will run in this gameplay, and I will be showing you the different results of the temperature of the device and the battery level of the device, and we will check out the performance of the device in this gaming review. So you can see right now we have the details in this CPU-Z application. So you can see it is giving details of all the temperatures of different things in the device. So individual temperatures are here, we will check them out later on, and the battery level is at 57%, and the temperature of the battery itself is almost 41 Celsius. So without any further delay, let's get started, and we are playing our first game, which is Need for Speed No Limits, and I am going to just start this game. You can see let's check out the performance of this game. You can see it is the device itself is running on Kirin 659 processor with 4 GB of RAM, and I am just removing the auto brightness and increasing the brightness of the device, so make you guys have a look at the graphics of this device. You can see it is looking beautiful, and the frame rate, everything is just awesome. So right now this game is actually playing great, you can clearly see. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will have a look at the CPU-Z. So guys, this gameplay has ended, and now let's have a look at CPU-Z, and you can see the battery percentage is at 57 still, and the temperature of device is actually coming down. It is actually the temperature of the battery itself, which is 29 Celsius, and all of the temperatures are actually increasing only by a few grades. So let's move to the next game, which is Real Racing 3, and I will just play this game for a short period of time, and we will just finish it as quickly as possible. So let this gameplay finish too, and after that we will come back to CPU-Z. So guys, this gameplay has also ended, and there was no lag, everything was just awesome. So now let's check out the CPU-Z, and you can see the temperature is actually continuously increasing for all the different components of the device. Amazingly, the battery level is still at 57%, but the temperature is actually increasing for the battery too. That is very astonishing to see that the battery level is actually very difficult to drop. It is actually a very big battery, which is 4000 milliamperes. Maybe because of this the battery is not dropping. So now we are on to the Modern Combat 5, and you can see right now we are playing this game. Actually this one is a very heavy game, and it needs a lot of graphics. So you can see right now we are playing this game, and it is looking great, and there is no lag, everything is just going awesome, the frame rate is awesome. So that's this gameplay also end, and we will check out CPU-Z after that.
Let's go. Thanks. Contact! Contact!
So guys, our gameplay has ended and Modern Combat 5 was also played brilliantly on this device. So let's check out the final results, and after that we will just finish this video. You can see right now we have increase of temperature I can feel on the physical body of the device, and the battery performance was actually great on this device. Only 1% of the battery is dropped while playing so long on this device. So that's it guys, this was the gaming review of Y9 2K18, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.